Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Muhammad Redoan Hossain, your favorite math instructor. Welcome back to this new video. In this video, we will discuss Enjoying Mental Math 5 and exercise number 3. I think you can see there are total 10 questions, 10 short questions, and today we will try to understand these questions and see how to solve these questions. So let's get started. The first question is 948 plus 32 minus 80 equal to how many tens? So first of all, 948 plus 32, we have to add these two numbers, so we know how to add. So in 32, 1 plus 2, and here is 8, so 8 and 2, 8 in mouth and 2 in hand, so count after 8, 9, okay, 9, 10. So 8 and 2 is 10. So we write here 0 and carry will be 1, right? Then 3 and our carry 1. So 3 and 1, 4. 4 and this 4. So 4 and 4, we know 4 and 4, 8. And after that, there is the another number is 9. So we don't have any carry, so here will 9. So 948 plus 32 is equals to 980, and here is minus 80. So if we subtract 980 minus 80, so if we subtract 80 from 980, we will get 900. 0 minus 0 is 0, and 8 minus 8 is 0, and then 9 is bring down. So our final answer is 900. But here is a word which is 10. So we have to find out how many tens. So we know 900 equals to how many tens? Yes, it's 90 tens. Okay, I think you get it. The second question is, we have to multiply 64 and 25. So 64 multiplied by 25. So how to multiply these numbers? Okay, 64 multiplied by 25. So here is 5 is ones places digits. So first of all, we have to multiply by this 5, and then 5 and 4, multiply 5 with 4. We know the times table of 5, right? So 5 4s are 20. So we have to write here 20, and we put here 0 and carry will 2. Then 5 and 6, multiply 5 and 6. So we know 5 6 are 30, and our carry was 2. So 30 and plus 2, it will 32. It will 32. So we have to write here 32. So we get 320. Then our ones places digit done. Then we have to go the tens places digit. So we must put here a cross or 0, then multiply by 2. So we need to know the times table of 2. So first of all, 4 and 2, we know the times table for 4 2s are, we know 4 2s are 8. Yes, 4 2s are 8. Then 2 and 6, 6 2s are, 6 2s are 12. So we get 128. And last thing, we have to add all together. So here is 0, bring down this 0, and 8 and 2 we know it's 10, so write 0 and 10, that means 1 is carry, then 2 and carry 1, it will 3, and 3 and 3 we know 6, and this 1 will be the bring down this 1. So our final answer is 1600. So 64 multiplied by 25, it will 1600. Okay, let's move the next question. The next question is 16a's plus 12t plus 5. So first of all, we have to know what does it mean by a's and t. A's mean 100. So we know 1600. 1600 means 1600 plus 12. T means 10. So 12 tens means 12, then 0. So 120 plus here is the 5. Now we have to add all together. So 5 and 0, we know 5 and 0, it will 5. Then 2 and 0, it will 2. Then 1 and 6, it will 7, and bring down this another 1. So our final answer is 1725, or we can say 1725, as you wish. Okay, I think number 1, 2, 3 you can get it. Okay, the next question is rearrange in descending order. So first of all, we have to know what is descending order. Descending order means we have to arrange the number according to bigger to smaller. So you can see there are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. Here is the another numbers. Okay, so we have to arrange this number according to bigger to smaller. So first of all, we have to find out the biggest number among these 5 numbers. So the first one is 8095, next one is 8059, then 8905, after that 8950, then 8509. So it 8095, 8059, 905, 950, 509. So which one is the biggest number? Yes, the biggest number is 8950. So first of all, we have to write 8950. Okay, after that which one is the biggest number? Yes, 905, 8905. Okay, got it. Then after that, which one is the biggest number? 8095, 8059, or 8509? Definitely 8509. So we have to write 8509. After that, we have only 2 numbers, 8095 and 8059. So which one is the smallest number, or which one is the biggest number between these 2 numbers? 8095 biggest or 8059 biggest? Definitely 8095 is biggest number. So after that 8059. So this is our answer: 8950, 8905, 8509, 8095, and finally 8059. Okay, the next one. Okay, the next one is Ojoy bought 750 apples. He gave 150 apples to Vijoy. how many apples were left. So we can see Ojai bought total 750 apples, but he already gave to Vijay 115. So we have to find out how many apples were left. We just do the subtraction. Okay. So which mathematical operation should we use? Definitely it's subtraction. So we have to subtract 115 from 750. So 750 minus 115. What will the answer? So first of all, z 0 minus 5, but 0 is bigger. We cannot subtract 5 from 0. So we think this is not 0, this is 10. So 10 minus 5. What will the answer? 10 minus 5 is 5, and carry 1, 1 and 1, 2. Then 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2 is 3. There is no carry, so 1 and 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. So finally 635. 635. Okay, so it's very easy. Our final answer is 635. The next one is 7 means meter and c means centimeter. So 7 meter 48 centimeter equals to how many centimeter? This is the question. So we know 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. We know this. So here is 7 meter. So if 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, so 7 meter equals to, it will 100 multiplied by 7. So 7 ones are 7 and this 2 0. So 700 centimeter. 700 centimeter, and here is the extra 48 centimeter. So in total 700 plus 48, it will 748 centimeter. So our final answer is 748 centimeter. The next one, number 7, 2598 paisa equals to how many rupees or taka? So we know 1 taka equals to how many paisa? 100 paisa, right? So here is 2598. So just we have to divide by 100. So if we divide it by 100, okay, so 2598 divided by 100. So we know here is 3 digits, so 259. So we know the times table of 100. 100 zeros are 0, 100 ones are 100, 100 twos are 200, and 100 threes are 300. But if we put 3, it will 300, but 300 is bigger than 259. That's why we have to put 2. So it will 200. Then if we subtract, we get 59, but 59 is smaller than 100. So we have to bring down this 8. So now it's 598. So we put here 5. So it will 500. Okay, so 500. So then we have to subtract this. So it will 98, but there is no any number. So what should we do? We have to put here a point, decimal point, and put here a 0. Then 9, it will, okay, there is no space, so I can write here, okay, 980. So if we put here 9, it will 900, and then if we subtract, it will 80, but 80 is the smaller, that's why we put here another 0. Then if we put here 8, 8 ones are 8 100 is a 800, then 0. So that's why our answer is 25.98. So 2598 paisa equals to 25.98 taka or rupee. Okay, the next question. 100 more than the place value of 9 in 7948. So first of all, we have to know that what is the place value of 9 in this number. So ones, tens, hundreds. So 9 in hundreds, right? So we get 900. We get 900. Okay, 900. And the question is 100 more than means we have to do the addition. So 900 plus 100, it will 1000. The very easy things. Okay, then number 9, 96, 108, 120. What will be the next two numbers? So just think about this. Here is the 96. Next number is 108. So if we subtract 96 from 108, we get 12, right? And if we subtract 108 from 120, we get again 12. That means increase 12 here. So the next number will 120 plus 12. So 120 plus 12, it will 132. Then what will the next number? 132 plus 12. So 24, 24 and 24 and 3 and 1 4, and bring down this 144. So the next two number will be 132 and 144. Okay, so here's the 9 questions, and number 10, the final question and most important and the difficult one. Okay, so the rules is if we add 8 10 12, it will how much? 8 plus 10, it will 18, plus 12, it will 30. So if we add 8 10 12, it will 30. If we add 13 10, and here will a number, and if we add these three numbers, it will 30. So just think about this. So 13 plus 10, it will how much? 23, and our total number will be 30. So if we subtract 23 from 30, so 3 minus 10, it will 7, carry 1, 2 and 1 3, 3 minus 3 is 0, so 7. So put here 7, and if we add these three numbers, we get 30. So 1 completed. Okay, then 8 and 7, but all together will 30. So 8 and 7, if we add 8 and 7, what will it will 15, right? But we need 30. So 30 minus 15, it will 15. So here will 15. Next, here. So here 15 and 10. So 15 and 10, it will 25. We need 30. So we need extra 5, right? So here will 5. Okay. And what will in this box? Right? So 13 and 8. So add just 13 plus 8. And 8 and 3, 11. And 1 and carry 1, 2. So 21. We need 30. So 30 minus 21. Okay. So it's 9. Right? So here will 9. Okay, and oh sorry, not this one 9. Okay, okay, then what will in this box? So here is 12, right? Here is 12 and here is 7. So 12 plus 7, how much? 7 into 9, 19. But we need 30, so 30 minus 19, what will the answer? 10 minus 9 is 1, carry 1. So 1 and 1 2, 1, 11. So here will 11. So this is the answer. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video.